Hello.
My name is Monola and you can call me you. I'm a third grader in Chikina High School. Yeah, I don't have a specific hobby, but sometimes
Scroll on social media. Late at night?
yeah.
Oh la la. And your parents don't say anything?
Yeah,
They don't know?
they know, but yeah, sometimes they
Okay. What do you scroll?
K-pop.
About?
K-pop.
K-pop. Oh, okay, nice. Which is your favorite K-pop band? Okay, nice. Sounds good.
Yes.
Okay, thank you.